I am Commander Rajshekhar. I work in Indian Navy. I am a graduate in electrical engineering, and she is my wife. She is a postgraduate in mathematics. She works as a mathematics teacher in Navy Children's School of the Indian Navy. My son is Ankit Sai. He is studying in Fiji since 8th standard. Now this year he has completed his 12th.
Through my friends in Hyderabad, I got to know that Fiji is an organization which is preparing the students for IIT GE very well. So when we came to Vizag, we got to know that Fiji has been introduced recently in Vizag. So I wanted to put him in Fiji.
In addition, I was looking for an institute which teaches the basic fundamentals of the mathematics and physics thoroughly before they reach the 11th and 12th standard. I felt this will help the student a lot when he prepares for the IIT JEE if he is very thorough in his basic fundamentals. And most of the institutions I have seen, other institutions, are more of a teaching in the principle of repetitive memorization, and I didn't want to have that kind of education. I was looking for an institution which suits my requirement of making my son self-sufficient in understanding all these subjects. When I saw the Fiji has been introduced into Visakhapatnam, I think I was one of the first parents to visit when the building was under construction itself, and I was thoroughly impressed by the introduction given by the faculty, and also I seen the website of Fiji. After taking the inputs from both these things, I decided to join my child in the 8th standard itself. One thing I observed was when he joined the 8th standard, as a parent I used to help him in solving the exercises given by the Fiji faculty. Then I very well remember one of the faculty members advised me specifically not to do this. I asked him what was the reason. He said that it is not important whether the student solves the problem by himself or not. It's important that he tries the problem, let it be for half an hour, 1 hour. He may not be able to get the answer, but by trying he will learn the subject. And what I observed in Ankit was his self-confidence has improved, and by end of 8th standard and 9th standard he stopped asking me questions, number one. Number two is most of the time he was able to solve the problems on his own. And after that I left totally his studies to the faculty of Fiji, and I am very happy that they have done their job very nicely.
Fiji faculty member, I am really grateful to them, to all the teachers who have taught my son right from 8th standard. They are very caring and they take extra care about their academic performance, and lot of personal attention is given by the faculty.
In addition, what I liked the most about the Fiji was, Fiji helped the students by not unnecessarily loading the child to study till the late hours in the night like most institutions do. They have given enough time for the children to do the self-study on their own. The methodology of teaching, the feedback systems, the help of the administrative staff of Fiji was excellent throughout, and it is way above par of any other coaching institutes I have seen in Andhra Pradesh at least.
See, as parents, I think we have been mute spectators and we have only been enjoying the results which our child was bringing. So I think the entire credit goes to the faculty and also to my son, who has also put in hard work. And keeping that in mind, I have put my daughter also in Fiji, and she is right now in 9th standard.
If I have to rank it, it is the Fiji, the student, and in the last the parents.